Bro.
They got the other one down back.
Yeah. You fucking grab my body cam and run away like that shit again, I'll fucking whoop your ass.
Oh, dude,
you understand me? Where'd her fucking bag go?
I didn't want it to get lost. It's with the other officer. I didn't want it to get lost, dude. I'm sorry.
Wait, why did he grab your... What the fuck?
Get your fucking ass over there before I yell at you. Fucking do that shit again to me. For the last time you fucking work here. Over. Where'd the other girl go? Hey!
Where's the other one? You got her? Where'd she go? Oh, shit. Oh, there she is. Taking my fucking phone to work. I call 911. Yep. I can't. Oh, okay. Thank you. I'm gonna head back in the store, sir. They got her.
Bro.
They got the other one down back.
Yeah. You fucking grab my body cam and run away like that shit again, I'll fucking whoop your ass.
Oh, dude,
you understand me? Where'd her fucking bag go?
I didn't want it to get lost. It's with the other officer. I didn't want it to get lost, dude. I'm sorry.
Wait, why did he grab your... What the fuck?
Get your fucking ass over there before I yell at you. Fucking do that shit again to me. For the last time you fucking work here.
He grabbed your body cam?
That fucking fell on the ground. They decided to take it with him.
Why would he do that?
No kidding.
What the fuck?
So it's no surprise why we're out here. Listen, it's all on video inside. I'm gonna be straight up with you. I don't like gray. I'm black and white with people. Everything you guys were doing inside was on video camera.
But we didn't walk out with nothing.
I know, but you guys were putting all that shit in suitcases and bags, and it's still in the statute it reads you can't temporarily deprive somebody of their property. You guys concealing this shit, you're still temporarily depriving somebody.
No, I didn't conceal nothing. It was in a shopping thing.
Okay.
Shopping bag.
Alright.
I didn't put shit in nowhere.
Alright. Which car out here is your guys's?
Huh?
Which car out here is your guys's?
We didn't have a car. We lived here.
Okay, how'd you guys get here?
We lived here.
You what do you mean, like an Uber, like a Lyft?
Yeah, Uber.
Alright, whose phone did you use to do that?
Mine.
Yours?
Yeah.
Alright. Is it more comfortable to stand up, or?
No, I'm straight.
Alright.
Take that off. Have a seat in the corner.
Hi, I'm Elizabeth,
Hey,
store manager.
How are you?
I was in my black Jeep.
Okay. What's your name? Spell it.
Tamesha.
Tamesha.
Yeah, David.
How'd you get here?
With them down there.
Where's your car?
That's their car.
Where's the car?
It's down there.
What kind of car is it?
Oh, it's a black car. I don't know.
It's a black car?
Yeah, I just got in.
SUV? You just got in it?
Yeah, I just got in. I just got picked up.
You don't know these guys?
Yeah, I know them.
Okay.
They're my cousin. I just got.
Oh, they're cousins, so you know what they drive.
It's the car down.
What car? There's 90 cars. Which one?
You want me to show it to you?
Just point it out.
It's that black car right there.
Which one? The one that in the handicap spot?
Yeah, body handicap spot.
Huh?
Body handicap spot.
Is it a Kia?
No, it's not a Kia.
Or is it an SUV behind it?
It's like, I don't know. It's over there.
I believe so. 214, do you have yours? CI1, she's pointing out a black car by the handicap on the left by PetSmart, either the SUV or the Kia as their vehicle. 2 rows to your right, 2 rows to your right. Was it an SUV or a car?
It's a car.
Yeah, is that by a handicap or parked at a handicap? It's black. And she's telling me they're out of Lehigh Acres. 205 Central, copy one.
I don't want to judge and thank you. Right?
Yep.
For what?
Retail that.
What I stole them.
Well, probably the purse for one.
Huh?
Probably the purse for one.
I walked in there with that
You
purse.
didn't bring that in.
Yes, I did. You can watch the cameras. I walked in there with that purse.
Well, you got nothing in it. No ID.
Okay.
Why?
I walked in there with
Why
that
did you bring a purse in there?
That's my purse.
Why did you bring a purse? It's empty.
It's nothing in that purse.
I know. Why'd you bring a purse in?
Because I could bring a purse in.
Because you're stealing stuff with
I
it.
ain't never put nothing in the purse.
That's okay. You're all together. You're all
okay,
together.
they didn't even get nothing. So what's the problem?
Oh, really?
No.
We're sure about that?
Yeah.
Okay.
I seen them when they walked out. They ain't never got nothing.
That's okay. Don't worry. I guess you don't know the law too much. Once you start hiding stuff throughout the store, it's called stealing. And it's all on camera. So, it's good. What? Hey, you didn't touch anything in the store? Nothing? Find that hard to believe.
He didn't even touch me. The man he ran after them too.
Mm-hmm. How did I know to stop you?
Oh, because he said stop me too.
Who?
The man that when I was walking out the door, he was right there. I can't go to jail, bro. That was flying.
Yeah, it's not their car. That was an elderly white female that came out of PetSmart.
She gonna tell you if I have warrants or anything, right?
Yeah. So 100% your name and everything, though?
Yeah, I swear to God, that's my name. I ain't gonna lie to you about my name, because I know that's another charge. But...
Yeah. I just don't know why you tried to run away, like...
Do you need me for something?
Nope, you're good.
Okay.
Sorry about that.
Because I didn't have shit, so like, why is I'm getting detained if I didn't walk out the store with nothing?
Yeah, but you let me have a second to discuss it with you, tell you, and you're on your way, right? But now I'm telling you right now, that's probably going to be a charge right there. You just trying to run. You have an all black one? Which purse is yours? All black with like gold?
Black. No. All black. It was a purse on the floor.
Temple, like an all black one, right? Well, who was that, your cousin or your friend?
That was my cousin.
Did she have a purse with her too or no?
No, I don't think so.
No, alright.
Bro, I just don't want to go to jail. I just need to take shit out of these people's soul. This shit flying.
Quicker, come over this way. We got another water there, buddy.
Yeah, it was just 2 bags.
Alright. Yeah, we're gonna have a good conversation with that LP. See my body cam hit the ground right there? Right in front of my car. I grabbed her, I go to go pick it up, and he took it with him. And we're fucking running with it.
You want to put it in the car?
Yes.
So everything.
Yeah. So we're gonna go around to the other side, the passenger side. All right. Come on. Let's not get wet. Come on. You don't want to spend the whole day in wet clothes. This one here. I don't want to spend the whole day in wet clothes either.
10-4. You just have for grant theft? Ten-four. 10-4. You're on probation? Mm-hmm. How much was your bond?
What? Bond for what?
Oh, you're on probation. Never mind. How long you on probation for? You don't know? Well, it's grand theft. So did you get a year, 2 years, 5 years?
I don't know.
You just got on it 2 days ago. You don't remember how long you're on probation for?
No, not really.
Okay. So that car you pointed out ain't your car. So which car is it?
I don't know. Didn't they go to the car?
They never made it. Yeah. Nothing in it, empty. No ID. She's
Stays all the other stuff inside.
huh?
Stays all the other stuff inside.
It's all inside still.
And so,
So that's what I'm trying to find out. But he needs to come out and talk to us. So I had him call and have him come out here. Hey, she just went on probation 2 days ago for grand theft.
So can you arrest me and put me in the car?
Huh?
Can you arrest me and put me in the car?
No, I'll detain you. They just stand right there. Why? You getting wet?
No, it's pointless to standing up and rotate me to jail. Ain't he repairs all extras or nothing?
Doesn't matter, hon. You still don't know the law.
I know the law is.
Apparently not.
You're gonna take me to jail for grand theft or what?
Yep. As soon as they total it all up, and you're gonna get a VOP.
Oh, that's fine, but I still ain't do nothing.
Yeah. Okay. You're here.
Huh?
Shop down in Lee County. Don't shop up here.
Okay.
We don't want you stealing it from here. Steal down there. Stay down there and steal if you're gonna steal. You are a thief. You already been convicted. You already been convicted as a thief.
Okay, it don't matter.
It does matter. Okie dokie.
Say it again.
Leave it open. Booker's gonna stand and watch.
All right.
Just in case they act a fool, you can get in the car.
Yeah, we're gonna go have a good talk with Matthew. My body cam fell off, and he decided to take it and went fucking running after the other person with my body cam in her bag.
all right, no, do that in a minute.
Did they find anything? It's a felony charge for introduction of contraband. Okay. All right. I just tell everybody that and give them a little, a chance. Go in the grass. Yeah. Carefully.
Huh? So what y'all do with my other friend?
We're gonna actually come to the side.
You want to see if Toby's here?
Yeah, please check just in case. I mean, I don't.
What
All right,
y'all do with my
stop
other
here.
friend?
I have no idea what's going on in there. I understand that you guys were. Now you're physically arrested for theft. All I'm doing is transporting you to the jail. I have no idea the details or anything like that. What's happening with your friends, I don't know. Most likely they'll be arrested. Okay? So, do you have any drugs or weapons on you, ma'am?
No, sorry,
Okay.
I just don't know.
Okay. Okay, thank you. So, I want to check my car, make sure there's no drugs, nothing in there. And then you go in there and that protects you. What's your first name? She's already been checked many times, I guess, but just in case before she gets transported.
I met her earlier,
Thank
so
you. Okay.
she had to use the restroom. I know you were in there, so there's probably not
Okay.
much on her, but we'll give her a check and then she can be on her way.
Mm-hmm.
It's been a long day, huh?
Do you know I have my other friend?
I don't. I actually been out running calls and
Yeah.
they transport the other girls out.
Not yet. I understand you're the first transport, And
They must be.
We're not sure what happened to the other.
yeah.
You were in the one room, so the other one must be in the other room still. And
There was 3 of us.
yeah, there was 3 of you. I asked the other girls if they needed to use the restroom. I don't know where they went. Do you have anything inside your? Do you have a bra on or no bra? That makes it easier. And those are no pocket pants, so that makes it even easier.
I already explained the contraband, and she says
Yeah,
she doesn't do drugs. She doesn't have any on her.
well, that's no, and she, like I said, she was in the bathroom with me. She went to the bathroom earlier, so
Good.
she's not gonna.
Did you get up at 6:30?
All right, honey, you're all set.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yep.
So put your hands together and kind of find that sweet spot there so you can lean back. Okay, and I'm going to buckle you in.
Oh, hell no. That shit gonna hurt. It's already too tight. This one right here.
Okay, so listen, if you spread your arms a little bit like this, just kind of raise them up.
How do
There
I
you
do
go.
that?
Just like
It's
that.
still gonna hurt.
Just like that. Then don't lean back.
I gotta do it. Oh. You tell that fat bald head ass man up there fucking
Sorry, ma'am?
the fat man and the little short bald.
I don't understand what you're saying.
I said the short bald head man in there. What's his name?
I don't know what short bull man you're talking about, but
The officer.
okay. Corporal. Okay.